Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Black Shark Pad 7 and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So let's start with finding and opening the settings. And here in this left section we need to scroll and find apps. Now let's tap on see all apps. And here we've got the list of all of the apps that are currently installed on this device. And what I highly recommend to do is to go through all of them, and especially those that you're frequently using, and remove cache. Cache are junk files that are saved by, maybe not junk, but they are temporary files that are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. Moreover, they can interfere sometimes if the files are corrupted, and obviously they are occupying some memory. So it is quite good to remove them because they will make the app work faster and your device at the same time. So what you need to do is to simply open the app. I'll pick maybe camera, and then go to storage and cache, and here we've got this cache section. So just tap on clear cache and your device will immediately remove it. And you need to do it manually, one by one in all of those apps, as I said, especially those that you're frequently using. Unfortunately, there is no way to do it automatically. There is no such an option. Moreover, I do not recommend using the apps that claim to be able to actually remove all apps cache because they could be a little bit predatory and, gather the information from other apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.